This landing page was losing 75% of their leads, and here's how it is. The most important part of any website is the top of the page, the hero section. It's the first thing the visitors see, that's why we do most of our A/B testing here. The first thing that we tested is the headline, which is the most important thing when it comes to grabbing attention. The original headline didn't clearly communicate the value of the offer, so we rewrote it in a way that it's simple to understand who he helps, what he does, and what results can he deliver. This change alone, after testing different headlines, we managed to double our conversions just from this small change. But then we noticed another problem. All the people were trying to click at these numbers at the top because they were looking like a link. So we had a lot of dead links in our website and was losing customers. And then we added this below as well, just to explain to people that this is not a sales call, it's just a discovery call. And that's how we managed to double our conversions again, so that at the end we had a 4x result.